cold. I must lock her up immediately.
I have a cold? Achoo! Ah! Hey, let me go!
Not a chance. It would be a disaster if you gave the cold to Piero too, and you'll stay in there the rest of your life unless you get rid of that cold.
Wait! I can't do any pie checks in here. 何すんのよ。
風邪ひきさん発見。直ちに閉じ込めるペロ。
風邪ひきさん？あ、出してけよ。
絶対ダメペロン。ペロンに風が移ったら困るペロンよん。お前は風が治るまで一生そこに入ってろペロン。